Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you two working codes that you can redeem in Fish It game of Roblox Christmas update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to go to the redeem option. I'm going to click this menu and scroll down. And the first code is 3%. Okay, just follow what I'm typing here. Oops. Okay, 3%, and then you can click on redeem. And I have already redeemed this code. And from this code, you will get rare percents. This one, guys, the rare percents, you can get it for free using the code. And I'm going to show you guys the second code that you can redeem. The second code is 2 billion. And you will get potions. Okay, again, I have used this code. And from this code, you will get 3 potions, which are the luck 1 potion, and then mutation 1 potion, and also luck 2 potion. Okay, and I recommend you to redeem it as soon as possible before it's gone, guys. Okay guys, and that's all the working codes that you can redeem in Fish It game Christmas update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!